Do you want to know how you can be adding $200 a month in pure cash flow? That's what I did today. So on this video, we're going to take you down a journey of what I did today to add $200 a month to our cash flow. There's 4 main pillars of real estate investing. Check out the link to my course down below because cash flow isn't everything. There's other ways you need to be making money. One of the ways that we got to this point was through equity pay down. So check out that video for 25 bucks. You can learn all 4 strategies. Be more than happy to talk to you more in depth one-on-one once you've been through that course. If you have more questions, you want to talk one-on-one, check it out. 25 bucks, great investment. Also, please like and subscribe to this channel so I stay motivated to keep telling you how I made 200 bucks a month, or in like a couple videos ago, how I got a house for $5,000, all that stuff. Please like and subscribe. And here is how I made an extra 200 bucks a month for the next decades today. One of the things is you can't just put your life on hold. So right now, we don't have a schedule for when this closing is going to happen today. It is going to happen today. It's going to happen at some point today, but I need to use my time wisely. So right now, I'm going to go ahead and go to the gym, do something productive. I've got all my stuff lined up, so whenever this happens, I'm ready to go. Someone may call while I'm at the gym. They're just gonna have to wait because nobody scheduled it ahead of time. So I'm gonna use my time productively, go get a little workout in, get my sweat on, and then we'll go from there. Shh, she's working. But we're gonna do our mail out closing right here later today. So if you've done a mail out closing before or you've done a remote closing, please comment down below and let me know how it went. So this is super cool. We've done mail out closings before, but I've never done a remote closing. So with the remote closing, the title company is actually sending someone here to the house this afternoon so we can sit down with them and finish up the closing. So that's pretty neat. If you've done one of these before, let me know. Real interested to hear about it. Workout was stupid this morning. I can barely hold this phone up right now. I'm so smoked. But now I've got to wire the money to the title company that's doing the closing, but they're sending a mobile notary out here to the house this afternoon so we can sign all the paperwork and close this thing. So we're pretty excited about this. I like your turkey, babe. What do you think about our mobile closing, babe?
That was pretty amazing. It was easy and the guy was really professional and respectful of our time and everything. What did you do?
I liked it. He came right here to the door,
Yeah.
let him in, went over to the kitchen table, sat down, 45 minutes, long deal, notarizing everything, but
Yeah.
it was nice to do it here instead of having to go to a title company or a law office, or, you know, we just came home from Costco. We were Costcoing, come home, he was waiting here, signed all the paperwork, we're done.
Yeah, that's true.
No trips to offices, just did it right here, sweaty. They said I stink because
You were so funky.
I went to the gym this morning, I still haven't showered.
So
It's
funky.
disgusting. But it's how I want to live my life and eat with my fingers.
You are just the original caveman.